Introducing the 2013 GMC Terrain. This is the set of wheels you've been looking for. The powertrain includes front-wheel drive with a solid 6-cylinder engine driven by a 6-speed automatic transmission. Savor your listening experience with the premium sound system. You will appreciate the safety feature of anti-lock brakes. Let the outside in with a power sunroof. Memory settings are just one of the extras. Rest easy knowing this vehicle comes with a Carfax Vehicle History Report from Carfax, the most trusted provider of vehicle information. And with these notable features, you won't want to miss out on the opportunity to own this amazing ride. Keyless entry, leather seats, power door locks, power windows, cruise control, Bluetooth wireless, an AM/FM stereo with a CD player. If safety is a high priority, rest assured knowing that these top safety components are included. Front ventilated disc brakes, curtain head airbags, passenger airbag, side airbag, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact us.